Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna talk to you about my setup, Motovlog setup, and I did another change for my setup. I tried the GoPro 10 with three medium modes, 2 GoPro 10s, and I didn't have good audio. Image is good, but audio wasn't good. I bought Osmo Action 2, image stabilization good, audio sucks, so I sold everything and I bought a second-hand GoPro 7, which for me, I hope it's the final solution, okay, to upgrade from my GoPro 3. But to have the GoPro 7, as you can see, I need something special, which is this case here that houses the GoPro 7 and the audio adapter, which is this one here, this audio adapter that we need. And I also bought this Dream Peak Stick It. Basically, it's a sticky mount, this one I have here, where I can attach my GoPro and stick it to every surface to give me better angles to record. And it's a reusable mount, which is good. Once you feel that it's not sticking that well, you just pass some water on it and it stays and it becomes brand new again. And I have this adapter here in the front that if I do want to use my phone instead of my GoPro, I can just stick it to my phone and record with my phone on a wall or whatever. So I bought this just as an extra, and I bought this from my partner SpitfirePT. Okay, they supply all kinds of materials for GoPros, Osmo Actions, and all those action cameras. They have a lot of those things. You go check their website. They have. They are in Algarve here in Portugal, but they are packed all the time. They have all the news, everything. You want to know support and things about GoPro? Go talk to them. My setup here, as you can see now, GoPro 7, the case and the adapter. The only thing is that I do have to twist a little bit here the adapter in the end in order to make it fit the GoPro, but it works like a charm. Then I have the Dango design gripper mount. Basically, this is this unit, which I use everything. What you are watching here, Dango, basically it's the microphone, the Sony ACM LV1. I just put it here, and then I put the microphone inside the cheek pads. Look, in seconds I have a Motovlog setup, and I can take it from this helmet to another helmet. We're gonna watch a movie soon with after this with this setup here, but I also gonna try the same setup with this microphone. Basically, this is from Samsung S9. It's those earphones. I just cut the earphones and I'm just using the mic. It's a TRRS microphone, but then I do have this Rode adapter here, and I'm also gonna try this gooseneck microphone that I bought for the Osmo Action, and now I'm gonna try it with my new setup, GoPro 7, audio adapter. It's not the Ulanzi case, but it's similar to the Ulanzi case. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna see how everything worked on the road. And another upgrade or downgrade, upgrade for my Motovlog setup for 2022. I already released a video where I use most every material that I have here, except the camera, where I was using the DJI Osmo Action 2, and I downgraded for the GoPro 7 with that bulky audio adapter for one specific reason. DJI Osmo Action 2 Motovlog audio, it's bad. No matter what adapter I use, no matter what microphone I use, I didn't like the sound coming out of that camera. The same thing I can say about the GoPro 10. I had 2 of them, I had 3 medium modes, and I still wasn't able to capture decent audio with that camera, with all the microphones that I have. So I decided, well, downgrade to the GoPro 7, buy the bulky audio adapter, buy a case where you can have the adapter without adapter in the proper place, without dangling and everything is stored properly, and try this solution and I really hope it's the final solution, because I'm really getting tired of finding a good audio solution for motovlogging. My go-to setup, basically, it's the GoPro 3 Plus, where the image is not as good as the GoPro 7, but the audio, it's an amazing audio coming from that camera. And with the GoPro 7, I'm trying to upgrade the image to the better quality and keep the same quality of audio. Again, my voice will not change. It will be this annoying voice that some of you like, some of you don't, but it will continue the same. But at least now I'm trying to combine good audio with better video quality. Not that I complain about the GoPro 3, okay, but there is a substantial difference between image quality from the 3 to the 7. And this is basically what I'm using now. GoPro 7, audio adapter, my Sony microphone, and the support, it's the Dango design gripper mount. And basically, since I found this mount, I'm not changing anymore. This it's very versatile, it adapts to everything, and I don't need to have, again, I'm gonna emphasize this, those sticky mounts on my helmet from GoPro that they don't look good. Let's be honest, on the helmet they don't look good, and with this I can remove it, put it on, and always have my helmet in perfect conditions. There is a little bit of wind, but then again, I'm a motovlogger, so there has to be at least a sensation that I'm riding, and I don't mind having a little bit of background noise, but my voice is still clear, and that's the most important thing besides image on the video. It's the quality of the audio, and I'm really hoping this final setup, it's the one that I'll be using now in the future. Why I'm hoping? Because it's the first time I'm using it. I haven't looked at edits at the moment, so I don't know how it's going. I did exactly the same videos for the GoPro 10 and the Osmo Action, and I put them on the trash because it was unusable, and I hope this is not the same situation. Having said this, guys, I'm on my way to work, to Lisbon, praying that everything is good. If you like this setup, it's a very simple setup, nothing fancy. It's an old setup, but at least I hope it works. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to receive my future videos, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!